People often call people crazy, or they say, why can't they just fix themselves? They're cruel and derogatory when talking about mental illness, as though it is something that a person can just will themselves into not being. It's not true. It is a true sickness, health issue. It is not a voluntary choice. There is a difference between people that are cruel, criminal, and people that have mental illness. In your life, in my one of my previous jobs, you would go in and see everything get locked up behind a key, everything, and only one person had the key, nobody else. And that was a change. It wasn't how it used to be, but the person's very paranoid. So everything was locked up and hidden or stockpiled. Here's an example of what that kind of looks like. That's Amber's pillow. Don't touch it. That's my laundry basket. Ask me first. Those are mine. Very important. Watch out. I don't mind you using them, but you need to ask me first, and I may not be available. And that may be an issue where I have them, but they're mine, so you can't move them without asking me first. Don't touch them. I bought them. They are mine. If you do this, move them, I'm going to unleash and unhinge on you, because I feel justified doing that because I gave you due warning. I can write you up, fire you, beat you, scream at you, throw things at you, ridicule you, publicly humiliate you, exploit you. I can do anything, and I am justified in doing that because I need to teach you manners. Teach you that lesson. You need to learn, and there is one way how education is learned and used. Education, hard knocks, are you stupid? Can you not read? Did you not see that right in front of your face? I'm going to have to take this and lock up the entire room now, because you refuse to listen to me, because you are doing this on purpose, and because I feel like I'm getting abused by you.